मुझे यहाँ आना पसंद है। I like coming here. I like coming here. इसे अभी शुरू करो। Start it now. Start it now. मुझे याद रखना है। I need to remember this. I need to remember this. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything. इसे मेरे लिए छोड़ दो। Leave it for me. Leave it for me. मुझे तुम्हारी परवाह है। I care about you. I care about you. इसे मेरे पास रखो। Keep it with me. Keep it with me. मुझे ये बहुत प्यारा लगा। I found this very cute. I found this very cute. मुझे कुछ कहना है। I have something to say. I have something to say. मुझे ये करने में मजा आता है। I enjoy doing this. I enjoy doing this. इसे ध्यान से करो। Do it carefully. Do it carefully. मुझे उसे ढूंढना है। I need to find him. I need to find him. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. इसे थोड़ी देर के लिए छोड़ दो। Leave it for a while. Leave it for a while. मुझे इस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए। I should focus on this. I should focus on this. मुझे वहां जाने की जरूरत है। I need to go there. I need to go there. इसे यहां छोड़ दो। Leave it here. Leave it here. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए। I need your help. I need your help. मुझे सब कुछ मिल गया। I got everything. I got everything. इसे मुझे मत बताओ। Don't tell this to me. Don't tell this to me. मुझे सोचना चाहिए। I should think. I should think. मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए। I need a little time. I need a little time. इसे धीरे से रखो। Place it gently. Place it gently. मुझे शांति महसूस हो रही है। I am feeling calm. I am feeling calm. इसे मेरे पास आने दो। Let it come to me. Let it come to me. मुझे यहां अच्छा लग रहा है। I feel good here. I feel good here. मुझे किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं। I don't need anything. I don't need anything. इसे छोड़ दो। Leave it alone. Leave it alone. मुझे उसकी चिंता हो रही है। I am worried about him. I am worried about him. इसे मेरे लिए देखो. Look at it for me. Look at it for me. मुझे थोड़ा आराम चाहिए. I need some rest. I need some rest. मुझे अपनी किताब पढ़नी है. I need to read my book. I need to read my book. इसे यहाँ रख दो. Put it here. Put it here. मुझे उसकी आदत हो गई है. I got used to it. I got used to it. इसे ध्यान से समझो. Understand it carefully. Understand it carefully. मुझे थोड़ी देर के लिए आराम चाहिए. I need a short rest. I need a short rest. इसे वापस मत करो. Don't return it. Don't return it. मुझे ये जगह पसंद है. I like this place. I like this place. मुझे वो चीज दो. Give me that thing. Give me that thing. इसे मेरे लिए ले आओ. Bring it for me. Bring it for me. मुझे उसका नाम याद है. I remember his name. I remember his name. मुझे तुम्हारी आवाज पसंद है. I like your voice. I like your voice. इसे मेरे साथ रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I liked this very much. I liked this very much. इसे ध्यान से सुनो. Listen to it carefully. Listen to it carefully. मुझे इसका उत्तर नहीं पता. I don't know the answer. I don't know the answer. इसे यहीं छोड़ दो. Leave it right here. Leave it right here. मुझे ये बनाना है. I need to make this. I need to make this. मुझे इसका स्वाद पसंद है. I like its taste. I like its taste. इसे मुझे जल्दी दो. Give it to me quickly. Give it to me quickly. मुझे अपना काम करना है. I need to do my work. I need to do my work. इसे ध्यान से पढ़ो. Read it carefully. Read it carefully. मुझे यहां से जाना है. I have to leave from here. I have to leave from here. मुझे तुमसे मिलना है. I need to meet you. I need to meet you. इसे थोड़ा और करो. Do it a little more. Do it a little more. मुझे ये जवाब चाहिए. I need this answer. I need this answer. मुझे यहां देखना है. I want to see here. I want to see here. इसे किसी और को मत दो. Don't give it to anyone else. Don't give it to anyone else. मुझे अब काम शुरू करना है. I have to start work now. I have to start work now. मुझे उसकी बात समझ में नहीं आई. I didn't understand him. I didn't understand him. इसे धीरे से बंद करो. Close it gently. Close it gently. मुझे सच में कोई परवाह नहीं. I really don't care. I really don't care. मुझे ये पहनना है. I need to wear this. I need to wear this. इसे मेरे साथ रखो. Keep it with me. Keep it with me. मुझे अब आराम चाहिए. I need rest now. I need rest now. इसे यहाँ रहने दो. Let it stay here. Let it stay here. मुझे थोड़ा और चाहिए. I need a bit more. I need a bit more. मुझे वो समय याद है. I remember that time. I remember that time. इसे यहाँ लाओ. Bring it here. Bring it here. मुझे इसका कारण समझ में नहीं आता. I don't understand the reason. I don't understand the reason. इसे मेरे लिए छोड़ दो. Leave it for me. Leave it for me. मुझे इसे समझने की ज़रूरत है. I need to understand this. I need to understand this. मुझे उसका चेहरा याद है. I remember his face. I remember his face. इसे धीरे धीरे करो. Do it slowly. Do it slowly. मुझे ये देखकर अच्छा लगा. I felt good seeing this. I felt good seeing this. मुझे आज जल्दी जाना है. I need to go early today. I need to go early today. इसे बंद मत करो. Don't close it. Don't close it. मुझे उसका पता चाहिए. I need his address. I need his address. मुझे ये याद रखना है. I need to remember it. I need to remember it. इसे दोबारा मत करो. Don't do it again. Don't do it again. मुझे कुछ अच्छा चाहिए. I want something nice. I want something nice. इसे मेरे पास भेजो. Send it to me. Send it to me. मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't need you. I don't need you. इसे बाद में करना. Do it later. Do it later. मुझे अभी जाना चाहिए. I should go now. I should go now. मुझे मत बताओ. Don't tell me this. Don't tell me this. मुझे यहाँ रहना है. I need to stay here. I need to stay here. इसे मुझे दे दो. Give it to me. Give it to me. मुझे उसकी मदद चाहिए. I need his help. I need his help. मुझे समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. इसे मुझे वापस दो. Give it back to me. Give it back to me. मुझे कुछ सोचने दो. Let me think. Let me think. इसे यहाँ से ले जाओ. Take it from here. Take it from here. मुझे ये करने में मजा आता है. I enjoy doing this. I enjoy doing this. मुझे उसे ढूंढना है. I need to find him. I need to find him. इसे ध्यान से पढ़ो. Read it carefully. Read it carefully. मुझे जल्दी सोना है. I need to sleep early. I need to sleep early. इसे मुझे मत बताओ. Don't tell me this. Don't tell me this. मुझे ये देखना है. I need to see this. I need to see this. इसे मेरे पास छोड़ दो. Leave it with me. Leave it with me. मुझे उसकी बहुत याद आती है. I miss him a lot. I miss him a lot. मुझे ये काम खत्म करना है. I need to finish this work. I need to finish this work. इसे यहाँ मत रखो. Don't keep it here. Don't keep it here. मुझे आज आराम चाहिए. I need rest today. I need rest today. इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. Do it again. मुझे और अभ्यास करना है. I need to practice more. I need to practice more. मुझे सब कुछ बताओ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. इसे तुरंत पूरा करो. Complete it immediately. Complete it immediately. मुझे सब कुछ समझ में आ गया. I understood everything. I understood everything. इसे एक बार देखो. Look at it once. Look at it once. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं है. I don't like it. I don't like it. मुझे ये वापस चाहिए. I need it back. I need it back. इसे मेरे साथ छोड़ दो. Leave it with me. Leave it with me. मुझे तुम्हारा साथ चाहिए. I need your company. I need your company. मुझे तुम्हारी राय चाहिए. I need your opinion. I need your opinion. इसे संभाल कर रखना. Handle it carefully. Handle it carefully. मुझे और ध्यान देना है. I need to focus more. I need to focus more. मुझे समझने में कठिनाई होती है. I find it hard to understand. I find it hard to understand. इसे बाद में देखना. Check it later. Check it later. मुझे घर पहुंचना है. I need to reach home. I need to reach home. So that's it for today. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.